Hello viewers, let me share with you today two important settings of Windows which will surely enhance the speed of your computer. Now on screen please. Now in front of you are two settings. One is before changes and one is after changing. So after changing is surely fast enough. Let's go for the first method. And now window key plus R key and type REGEDIT. Regedit. Type it. Now click yes. And now let's go and open current user. And in current user, open and click control panel. And in control panel, click on desktop. And now slowly search down or drag it down and click menu show delay. By default, it would have 400. Double click it, open it, and make the 400 to 0. And now click OK. After clicking OK, restart your PC and your computer would be fast enough. Now let's go and restart it. We will also go for the second method. Now window button plus R and once again go and write msconfig. Click OK and after that click boot, and in boot simply come down advanced options, click it, and now you will see number of processor tick mark over here to open the below mentioned option and select the maximum I have add. So you may select your higher number, click OK, apply and OK and restart your computer, and your computer will surely be in good speed. Now once again you can see the difference of both. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.